Hey everyone, it's me Sabir again, and in this video I'm gonna talk about action plan for a website recovery which is affected by a Google update. I have a real-time case study and I would like to prepare a sort of action plan so that you people can learn how you can prepare an action plan for a website which is affected by the Google update. So I have this website. This is a local business website which is about Sun Valley Solar. So this is about solar company, and this is a graph of a website, and it is not affected by a recent update, which has Google launched in the March. It is actually affected in the August 2023 spam policy update. All right. So if I show you the real time data, so this is last 16 months. So as you can see, on August 15 and then we have August 23 to onward, the graph is continuously on decline, and right now it is almost getting 50, 60 or 70 clicks per day according to Google Search Console. So on an average 200 to 15 and above search click in the Google Search Console to 60, 50 or 70 search clicks on a daily basis in the Google Search Console. So this is a huge loss for a local business. All right, so this is a website. So first of all, I want to crawl the website with the screaming frog and make sure there are not any issues with the website, because it is a part of the process, and there is no magic tricks that we can apply to the website which is affected by the Google update and the website will be recovered. So it's actual a process we have to follow, and then we will be able to recover the site. So mode spider and just start. So let's talk about action plan. Action plan for a website which is affected by a Google update. Which is affected by a Google update. Alright, so first thing I will do, I will wait for the rollout to complete, because whenever Google launches an update, it gives a time for a complete rollout for any update. All right, so for example, right now we have got a Google update in the March, and Google said that it will take out a month to roll out. So I will wait for a month so that it actually completes the period, and then I will decide to take action. So what can be the first step? So for me, the first step will be the website SEO audit, and I'm telling you this is an actual process I follow to recover the website, because in the past I have recovered a different website, and I will also share the data how I recovered the website, a sort of case study. So in the SEO audit, I will do thorough on-page SEO audit, and then I will follow technical SEO audit, and then of course I will also follow off-page SEO audit. And before even getting into the actual audit process, I want to analyze the website data or analyze the website graph in the Google Search Console. So for example, this is a website, and now I get the idea. The website is supposed to getting down on August. So what I'll do, I'll search in the Google and I'll find out in the August 23 if there is any update. And he said Google's August 23 Google update rollout is now complete, and that means I get the idea. Yes, there was a Google update, and due to the update a website is affected. And after that I will research what was the purpose of the Google update, because Google will tell you why Google launches an update. So for example, let me share you a Google site where you can find every Google update. So as you can see, this is March 2024 update, and this is core update. And if I click on it and core update, and here you will read the full article and you will get the idea of what the core update is about. So how core update works, assessing your own content, how long does it take to recover from a core update. So it's actually, a sort of guidance what the update is all about. So for example, I find that it is about spam policies. And after that, I will, judge my site or judge the client site. What can be wrong with the website, and what's wrong with the website, and why the website is supposed to get down. Is there is any violation of Google policies, violation of Google policies, because policies, I believe this is a correct spelling, because if I tell you the truth, Google isn't that mad. Why Google hit your website, and why Google want to hit your website? Because there is something wrong with your website. That is why Google hits you. And Google will not, get any benefit from your side if it is a hit down, or if it is, ranking on the number one position. Yes, some sort of, benefit to the Google, and we also got the benefit because it's a but it's a later, a discussion part. So right now just focus on the policies. So what we are on, that violation of Google policies, so I will find out. And after that I understand the Google update, I understand what the update is about, and now I will get myself into the audit process, process. So what I'll do, I'll check all the top performing pages and review all of them. Is there are all of the pages affected by the Google update, or there are some pages affected by the Google update? So, before getting into the process, I just analyze the graph. I just understand the Google update, and I understand what the Google update is about. And after that, now the next process is I want to check the pages that is affected by the Google update. So for example, this is the first page, and last 16 months. So you can see that this is the page is affected by the update. So 38 clicks and 1366 impression to almost right now 16 clicks, even 6 clicks. So that means it is somehow affected by the Google update. And after that I will check the next one, last 16 month data, and you can see this is also start getting down on August, and now it's again getting up. So the next thing, I will check the home page. So you see, it looks fine. There is nothing much wrong with the home page. So again, I will check the next one. and there you can see that this is totally getting down, and it lost all of its traffic. And then I move to the next page. Last 16 months, and you can see this is also affected. And the other thing I am noticing is the CTR is not good. By the Google update, the CTR is also affected, and we can also find the reason why the CTR is affected. And what was that page? I believe this one. It's solar in Horizon or Arizona free is solar. So you see the top position is getting by our competitors with the feature snippet, and now the CTR of this post or the CTR of this competitor will be going up, and even we are number one position, and because of the rich snippet we do not get any traffic, and this is a huge loss. And with that I will check all of the pages and I will list down, check the top performing Google pages to see how many are affected by the Google update. Alright, so I will list down all of them. And the next thing I also notice is this is a local business site, and it's actually getting traffic by its informational blog articles. And you can see blog, and we have blog and then homepage. So this is a huge loss for this local business, because it was getting most of its traffic by the informational article and with the homepage. And the other thing I also notice is the average CTR is way more lower than we can expect, or than it should be better when it comes to the average CTR. So right now it is not good. So I also taking into the account that is CTR is not good. Alright, so the next thing I will do is I will involve into the audit process. So this is Screaming Frog. It's completed 100%. If I check on status, so there are some 301 redirect which are non-indexable. I find the one mistake, and the other thing is there isn't any issue except 301 redirect. Alright, so I noticed that. And when it comes to external, so there are also external 301 permanent redirect. Apart from this, we also have 1 or 2 404 pages. And apart from this, if I check at the page title looks fine, missing 0, duplicate 6 over 60 characters 152. This is also fine. And we have meta description is all pages have meta description, missing are 4. And we have H1. So H1 missing pages are, these are paginated pages, so that means there isn't any issue with the H1. And we have H2, no problem. And we have content images. So over 100 KB images are 227, and missing all tags 4. So that means in terms of technical or in terms of meta description H1, there are no issues. So audit completion, in terms of technical SEO audit, um, it is fine. And when it comes to on-page SEO, so H1 meta description all fine, but the thing is we also need to check manually either the keyword placement is good, either the content is optimized, or either the content is value provided or not, or the content can solve the user problem or not. So first of all, I would like to start with the home page. Start with the home page. So this is the home page, and the keyword for this is solar company in Arizona. So this is a keyword. The targeted keyword for home page is solar company in Arizona. And Arizona is a state of the US, and this is a keyword. So first of all, I would like to check the title. So you see a Sun Valley Solar Solution, Arizona, solar company, solar energy. So the title is not good because in the start they have put the branding and then they put the main keyword, and then there is another keyword which is solar energy. And if we talk about the meta description, so meta description also start with the with the branding, award-winning solar energy installation company based in Chandler, Arizona. So what I'll do, title, meta description. So client need to consider this. So what I will say, not optimized, not optimized. And now check the content of the home page. So power your future with the solar experts. I think this is H1. So power your future with a solar expert. This is H1, and this is a huge heading which is H2. Welcome to the Arizona. So this is H2, and you can get the idea. It's just a completely destruction of the website in terms of on-page SEO. And then we have our credential and project speaks for themselves. So again, H1, H2, H3, H5, and then again H2, H4. Commercial, residential, commercial service. Learn how solar benefit you and your community. Secure your energy independence. So the thing is, I don't think so. The website is optimized in terms of on-page SEO. And the other thing I also notice is there is no related keyword in the home page related to the this solar company or is Arizona keyword. So the content of the home page is not optimized. I have also marked that. So again, I will recommendation. Write the SEO optimized. No. First of all, do keyword research, find more variation of the main targeted keyword and optimize your title with the main keywords and sub keywords, and optimize your description as well. So in terms of home page, the client should be consider this plan. Alright, so other than that, this is by the way targeting the Arizona, which is a state, and there should be city targeted pages or the service areas, if I'm not getting it wrong. So in the about section, there are no I think location pages. So we have blog section, and the last blog is on published on Feb 16 2024. So I don't think there are location pages. So the next thing I will recommend is to enhance your business. You can also make city pages, location pages, city wise, and increase your business, increase your proximity. So proximity is a little a technical term. It is related to a local business, and we will also talk about it later. Increase your business. All right, so now let's talk about blog section. So let's open this. This is a link, I believe. So if I click on that, and if I also check that, so it is redirecting to the external website, and it seems like there is an external link. So this is also external link of the same website, and this is also look same website. Now the problem is that you're not supposed to add external link on top of your page, because when you put external link on top of your page, the user will not stay. User will click on the link and user will redirect it to the next page, and the session will be ended. Alright, so I can also say that make sure your website internal linking structure is good. Make sure to add external link in the mid or bottom of the page. And we are done with the home page and blog section. Now let's talk about the recovery. So how we recover the pages which are affected by the Google update. So first of all, I need to check this page, and I need to make sure this page is affected. We already checked that, and we need to update this page. So what the process of the update is, we need to update the affected pages by the Google update. So the process of the update, what is the process of the update is following. So check the top performing pages in the Google Search Console, make a list of them, check the queries, gather the top impression queries and send it to your writer and make sure to update the content with them. uh, Change the current update date. So what I'm talking about is we need to make a list of all the top performing pages and we need to check one by one and we need to click on the queries, and these are the queries which are user searching for, and we need to find out the ones which are getting high impressions, and with that we need to optimize our content. In that way we will give signal to the Google, yes, we are updating our articles, or we have updated our articles. Now get back to crawl them again and make sure to return our previous position which was on top ranking. All right, so we need to make sure, we need to follow this process and we need to implement this process to all of the pages. All right, so the next thing is there are some pages which are lose traffic due to rich snippet. So the thing is, when it comes to rich snippet, it is very tough to snatch rich snippet from the competitors. So what can be the step? If what if we don't update these pages? It is not a choice. We need to update those pages as well. Update those pages as well, but the thing is, now we need to involve a little bit more planning. So what we need to do is we need to do keyword research and we need to find out more informational keywords, and we need to rank on these informational keywords, and we need to make internal linking from blog pages to the commercial pages. And with that we will pass the authority and the link juice from informational pages to the commercial pages. We can also redirect users from blog section to the commercial pages. So this is what we need to do, and this is the plan we should follow in order to recover the website. Alright, so I hope you learned the process, and that is the actual process to to combat a sort of update, or if your website is affected by the Google penalty. So this is the process I followed to recover the website, and I will also share the result in the next video. So again, one thing I haven't checked, and that is I haven't check backlinks. So what we need to do, we need to audit the backlinks and find out if there are any toxic backlinks present in the website backlinks profile, and we need to gather all the toxic link, and we need to disavow all of them. And after considering the content updation, a homepage updation, keyword placement, and doing all work of optimization, we will consider link building if needed. So when it comes to link building, this is a local business, and the local business is supposed to rank in the local location area. So we need to get the backlinks from the location area as well. So we are not supposed to get the links from any other random website. So we need to make the strategy as well when it comes to backlink, getting backlinks. All right. So this is the process you must follow in order to recover the website. Either it's penalized, or either it's affected by the Google update. So I hope you get the idea, and in a learning point of view, there is much to learn in this video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.